Hi guys, I hope you guys are fine. My name is Devika and recently I saw a movie called Karthik Calling Karthik and I have a few observations about it. There were some things that were portrayed wrong in the movie regarding mental illness and today I shall be debunking that for you. There were two things that were talked about in the movie. One is multiple personality disorder. Now, we hear a lot about multiple personality disorder in movies, in the media, and it is not what it is portrayed in the movies. It is way different in real life. And if you know someone with symptoms like these, you should not go to a Babaji or some temple. You should be seeking a professional, because in India, if you think of multiple personality disorder, people think that it is some atma entering your soul and they take over your body, and such sort of beliefs exist in our society, but that's not really true. So we should be focusing more on the scientific part that we know it is about. It is also a very debatable topic that do multiple personalities exist in one single person? So there is a lot of research which indicates that yes, it does exist, but we're still not very sure if it does. So there's another concept in the movie that is schizophrenia. So schizophrenia is also a very misunderstood disease even among psychologists, and today I would like to share what that is. So schizophrenia is a disease, a mental disorder that literally means split brain. So people take split brain as two different personalities, that is split personality, but that is not the case. Schizophrenia is a mental disorder which creates a split from the reality. So people with schizophrenia have a problem in understanding what is real and what is not real. Whereas the people with multiple personality disorder, that is dissociative identity disorder. So let me tell you this, that one, we don't call it multiple personality disorder today. It is called as dissociative identity disorder, or in short DID. So people with this disease have alter egos, that is that they have many personalities in one single physical body, and they also have other symptoms which indicate towards this mental disorder. So what I would suggest is that if you know anybody with weird symptoms, you should first consult a doctor and not be like, he is one split personality, or he has you should not use terms like that, because we are not professionals, and we should not take such decisions. So coming back to the movie, it is very debated and very confusing in the movie if he has multiple personality disorder, that is DID, or if he has schizophrenia. So in the movie, in the starting of the movie, he shows symptoms of schizophrenia. So what are the symptoms of schizophrenia? They can be hallucinations, which are false perceptions, like you hear weird sounds that don't really exist. Like I said, it's a split from reality, so they don't know what is real, what is not real. So they can they can have false beliefs, that is delusions. Like they could believe that they're the president of India, and they might not really realize that it is not real. So they have disorganized thinking, thoughts, they go in a very random pattern, and their emotions also show a big ride of roller coasters. Whereas people with a multiple personality disorder have an alter ego which they might not even know exists. So it is an interruption in consciousness, right? So they might not even be aware that there is another personality inside them, and they might experience amnesia, which is habit of forgetting. So they might have zero memory of what happened when their alter ego takes place, right? So it's these two are very rare diseases, and they affect just 1% of the population, and that is why there are so many misconceptions about it, and it's totally understandable. At the beginning of the movie, Karthik showed symptoms of schizophrenia. He was socially withdrawn, he was depressed, he had really low self-esteem, he had delusions of his older brother, and these were clear indications that he has schizophrenia. But later, the entire movie, the phone call Karthik was actually Karthik's alter ego, and we cannot ignore this huge symptom which is a part of DID and take it as schizophrenia. So all those movies, all those people who saw this movie and think that they have something to say about this, let us know in the comment section. Also, I have written a detailed article about this in Psychologues magazine in the April issue of 2021, and you should definitely check that out. So thank you, see you there.